Hello, welcome back to this tutorial series. Uh, so today I want to, since we have learned enough content, I want to give out a challenge to recap on what we have learned. So here is what you're going to do. So I want to complete the following task. I want you to create a new Django project, call it Pro2. Also create a new Django app inside the project, call it app2. Then create an index view that returns the my second app, but it enclosed on HTML tags. So I want you to see what happens when you pass through HTMLs and the string. Then link the view to the URL files. Then run your server and see the results. So you can try it out and see what happens. In case you encounter any challenges, you can just refer to previous lectures, or you can view the solution in the next one. So I hope you enjoy this challenge. So see you on the next video.